This is the 16 strand Kumihimo spiral braid we've got to make in workshop 23. Yet again, we'll need to readjust the cords on the disc quite often. This is extremely common when braiding. I know some folks don't like the readjusting part of making a Kumihimo braid. Consider this. Here's a Solomon bar zip pull. It ain't very pretty, is it? The reason is that I didn't bother tightening up in between the tying stages. Tightening up isn't actually tying as such, but it's a vital part of the process. Without it, the end product's a mess. The same thing can be said of readjusting the cord positions in between braiding stages of Kumihimo. It's just part of the braiding process. Without it, we could finish up with something we really weren't hoping for. Let's take a look at the first few stages in making today's spiral braid. I've set my cords up as per the instructions in the workshop document. A couple of things I need to point out. Firstly, you'll notice I've put some green marks on the disc to show them some of the positions I need to keep an eye on. North, south, east and west already have permanent marks. Secondly, when I place the first cords on the disc, I loop them through a split ring so that I could use this as a key fob when I've finished. First of 4 stages. There we go, I've moved them. Now I need to readjust them. I need to keep the cords either side of my dot. See how easy it is though? It doesn't take much time at all. Stage 2. Readjust to keep them either side of the dot. Stage 3. This readjustment just helps keep everything square. Right, need to readjust after stage 3. I mean, it's pretty easy to do, isn't it? Yes, it takes a few seconds, but it really is an essential part of the process. Stage 4. And readjust. Some readjustments on braids are maybe a little bit more complicated than this, but this is really so simple. Don't let the fact that you have to readjust put you off making this braid, because it's a really pleasing braid when you've finished, and this readjustment part is really not a great imposition, is it? If you're really not happy having to do these readjustments, then ultimately you're going to find that Kumihimo really isn't for you, because it's essential in so many braids. Well, I hope I've convinced you that readjusting the cords really isn't that bad, is it? Okay, let's crack on with the project then, shall we? Thanks for watching this brief video. See you soon.